Yo, great. So, welcome back to my channel once again. So, in this video, I'm going to take you through this competition account and show you step by step way to enter this competition to win these allocated prizes. So, first place is going to win 200k, second 100k, third 50k, fourth 25k, and then fifth place 10k. Okay, so I made a video about this earlier, and this opportunity is still open, and I realized a lot of new people have joined us. So I have to update you guys to know where we have reached for this account and when it's going to end, and then show you step by step way to enter if you have not entered yet. So with that being said, let's get started with this video. So this is Atlas funded. They are doing invite competition. We need to invite people to their Discord in order to win an account. When you rank in the top five people, and then up to from sixth position to the third or the 10th position. I think from sixth position to 10th position, you'll be given discounts that you can use to purchase an account from them. So this announcement was made publicly. So it's there for everyone that is watching me now to go and do their own research about it before you engage with them. So let me send you to their Discord page where we will check on the announcement section, the step-by-step way to enter this and when it's going to end. Okay, so this was the announcement. Invite competition end when 1st January. I hope, let me scroll a bit for you to see that date. Okay, good. So here is it. It's ending on 1st January. So we have some days more. Okay, so this is the best way. So first place, as I said, is having 200k. No robot is needed in this invite. Okay, you only need to invite traders or your friends across the world. Okay, so when you come below, okay, when you come below, let's see what is that. Okay, so what I want to show you here is the leaderboard. You see the number of people that is there before you think that, oh, I can't do this. You can do it. Why? A lot of people didn't hear about this invite competition, so they are not inviting. So let's check the leaderboard. As this was open from December 1st, let's check the leaderboard. Who is on the lead or who is leading now and how many people. So you can see the leaderboard is having 137 as the top. Okay, second 97, third 82, fourth is 57. You can see the numbers are very, very low. If you can copy your link, caption it very well and post it on either uh, trading groups on Facebook, trading groups and on Telegram. You can see you will invite more people than this. Okay, just remember to put a nice caption and then you will drive people onto this uh, uh, competition. So how do you get your unique link? So to get your unique link, just come to any of the servers here. So I always want to go with the lodge. If you are using laptop, right click on it. If you are using mobile phone, just long press. Okay. And then you see a pop-up or a page like this pop-up. So click on invite. I don't think let's go with different channel. Let's not use the large company. Let's use the general group also. Let me see if I can locate the general group where traders used to chat so that the person can be sent straight there. Okay. You have a general group. I wanted to use that. Let's use that. Okay, so as I'm not finding that one, let me use the announcement section. Let me use the announcement section. Okay. As I said, you right click or the long press. So let's go with invite to channel. Okay. So here you can choose to edit the link, but I recommend you edit the link. So just click on edit invite link below here. After you edit the link, okay, just go straight and choose what expiry never, so that your link will not expire. But when you count the days, it's up to 7 days. You can leave it to 7 days. So to me, today is 26, so it's less than 7 days for us to reach 1st January. So I'll just leave it like that. Maximum number of views, no limit. Then I'll click on generate new link. So when I click on generate new link, I'll just copy this link. This is the link that I will be doing what, sharing to groups and wherever it is to drive traffic to this. Okay, so first make sure you join their Discord group before you do this. If you're not in the Discord group, you cannot do this. So I'll paste the link, the Discord link in my Telegram channel. If you want to join this invite competition, just go there. They do update people on giveaway as well, so you have to be in their Discord in order to get your hand on those updates and news. Okay, so if you want to check your leaderboard, or if you want to track your invites, you can just scroll below here. But when you join their Discord, make sure you verify before you can have access to all this channel. So this is the invite tracker below here. Here is it. So you can just click on it and track your invite. If you want to check the leaderboard, it's also here. Just go and search for leaderboard, and that is all. So here you can put the command to track your invite. Okay, it's very simple. It's very, very simple right here. So you can see the leaderboard too. When it goes through, I go through this, you see the leaderboard as well. Invite leaderboard, here is it. So when you click on it, this one will show you the invite leaderboard, who is leading and your position. Okay, so you can just put in the command, and that is all. So I take it forward slash invite. Okay, invite leaderboard also. Yeah, here is it. So you just select this one, and then you hit enter, and then the new leaderboard will come. Good. So you can see it says sending command. So this is the new leaderboard. I check, so you can see with my position, everything here. So this is what I have for you guys today. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, that I drop video every single day. Goodbye, and see you tomorrow on another update.